Hi there, my name's Annie. I'm here today to talk to you about how I paint Ultramarines. So the Ultramarines are obviously a chapter of Space Marines for 40k, and they are one of the most famous ones. Are the ones you'll see on all of the boxes. You'll see Ultramarines most of the time on there. And we're going to see how we paint those today. It's really easy to do, it's really fun to do, so if you're like not a brilliant painter like I'm not a brilliant painter, you don't need an airbrush, you don't need any real skills. If you can do a basic edge highlight, that's all you really need for this, and if your edge highlighting is spotty like mine, then it's fine, you don't even need that much. Let me show you how I do Ultramarines. Let me know if you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next one. Here we have 5 Space Marines, and this will demonstrate the 5 main steps of this method. So the first one has just been sprayed silver, so that's lead belcher by Games Workshop, but you could use any dark silver through an airbrush or just a can. Next we have one that's been highlighted with silver, so it's like a bright silver, like steel or mithril silver. Again, an airbrush or a dry brush will work. Next we want to give the Marines a wash all over with Nuln Oil. This is like really adding some depth to the Marine and will allow us to use the contrast paint over the top. Once that's dry, we give it one thick coat with Talisar Blue, which is a contrast paint, and as you can see it goes in the recesses and dries this really nice metallic colour. Finally, we give it an edge highlight of silver, and then we do the rest of the details, including the base, and we can see that it's finished. So I hope you enjoyed looking at how I paint Ultramarines, how they come out and how they look. I'll leave you with some shots of the army that I've done so far, and how they come out. And then let me know what you think, and if you need me to go into any more detail about anything else, I can. Thanks, bye!